Hello, it's me, Kaeley, and then we're doing a video about Easter eggs, and then like we sit behind my back. It's a dino thing, and then I don't know what it is, so let's open it. Open it and see what's inside of the dino one. Open it up. Open the sack of it. Okay, we have the sack. Let's get this thing out. We have this. The tool, and then we have the egg. It says to open the egg. Open the egg first, and then it says to open it, and there's the dino. The dino surprise. I actually need scissors. 1 second. Help me, and then it's time to open it. Whoa! Look at that brown thing. Let's open it up. Try to open this thing up. Yes. Open it up. Here's the base for the dinosaur. Set it right here. And where's the plane? Now it's time to try to open it. Now let's use this one. No. We have this. See? Drawing it out. Now we need the brush. What's the other brush? Oh, here's the brush. Don't go yet. It's a surprise. Dust it out. Hey, put your glasses on so you don't want dirt on your eyes. Dust it out of that thing. It's time to do opening here. For me, Mama did a little bit for me, so it's time to do this. It's my own. Yeah. Well, dust came. I think Mama has to give me a little help. You know, some moms have to help me. Found a dino piece. Now Mom has to give me another thing. So yes, brush it, brush it, brush it, brush it. And then yes, poke a hole in it. So the dust. Okay. Don't want to scratch my mom's table. Let's see if I could do it with my hands. Oh, I can't. This. Almost. Do I see?
You see it?
Little plastic there. I found the one piece right here. Just arm. Just stuff this thing out. Oh, here. Dust it out.
Let's see.
It's so far we got.
Let's see.
A little tiny. See the egg? Just getting out. This is to dust it out, I think. I can use this to dust it out. See? It's dusting. Whoa, dusting. Just like smoke. A little thing right here. Whoa.
Let's see.
A dino piece.
Is that a head?
No, it's the body.
It's the spine?
The body.
The bone?
Okay. It's gonna be easy to do now. Do it like this. Like crazy girl, right? Oh, here's the leg. Yeah. Here's the leg. You have to keep cutting.
Be gentle with it, sweetie.
Okay, Mom. Got a dino piece. Oh, karate outfit. Just dust it out.
Kaeley, please don't do that.
We can do like this. Take time. Don't go. Okay? Don't go. Make them get this thing. Right here. Whoa. Okay. Yes, get this. Oh, this is a dino tail. Very long.
Be careful, please. Use the brush and see if you can dig it out with the brush.
Backing up. Whoa. Put it over here. Closer look. Dig it out. Have dust. I think this brush is for cleaning it out. Pieces. No. Yes, get some more. We have this much and then good. Chop it out. Chop. Right there. Here. Yes, chop it right here. Chop. Go right here. Here's the dino bone. Don't know which one this is. I think this is it. That's it. Yes. Put this in this hole. Do like this. don't know which part it goes. I think it goes this way. This. Ah! Oopsie. Actually, we have to clean this thing off and take the parts off first. Take the parts off first, and then we clean it off. Okay, guys?